Very good. Oh, next na. Next, you get the boat. Boat. The blue one. Yan. O, buuin mo yung blue boat. Nabuo mo ba yung airplane? O, urong mo yung airplane, tapos buuin mo yung boat. Very good. O, buuin mo yung boat. Kayang-kaya na yan ni Sander, di ba? O, sige. Very good. You fix it, baby. I-fix mo lang. Ayusin mo, tanggalin mo ulit, tapos fix mo. Okay, very good. O, pagdugtungin mo na. Very good. So, what is that? What? Again. Boat. Oh, next, you make the car. The car. That's not the car. Yan, the green one. Oh. Gawin mo yung car. Tignan mo muna, no? Tignan mo munang maigi. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong, baby. You can do that, baby. Very good. Next. Tama yun. Tama yung ginagawa mo. Tingnan mo yung shape. Ayan. Yun, tama na yun. Tama yun. Last piece. Last piece. Alam mo yan. Very good. So what is that? The car. So what is this? Airplane. Letter A. This is A. What is this? No, that's a boat. Letter B. This is a car. Letter C.